Well, there is a new push in Kentucky to get rid of a sales tax on feminine hygiene products.
WDRB's Molly Jett explains the changes made after a similar bill stalled in the legislature last year. Molly?
It's been a busy day here at the Kentucky State Capitol. Representative Lisa Willner partnered with several advocacy groups just about 5 hours ago to announce new menstrual legislation. In addition, they want to add more tampon products within Kentucky State schools and eliminate the sales tax for them throughout the state. House Bill 148 is a feminine hygiene bill. It addresses the financial burden and lack of menstrual supplies for women and students in Kentucky.
The bill would require a small investment that would pay big dividends for Kentucky students.
Kentucky State Representative Lisa Willner wants to remove sales tax on feminine hygiene products like tampons for all Kentuckians and wants $2 million allocated from the state.
I will say that I've had very productive conversations with colleagues across the aisle.
The proposed legislation is an expansion on a similar bill that failed last year. If passed, the bill would ensure every public middle and high school student has access to safe and clean period supplies at school at no cost.
There's still a lot of shame and stigma around periods in our culture. And when menstruating students can't afford period products or when their families have to choose between food and menstrual supplies, that shame is intensified.
Willner's team says each woman spends about $120 a year on products.
Kentucky doesn't need to be left behind any longer in this. Though small, is a percentage of people's incomes, and things are very expensive right now. But it also ensures that students don't have to feel ashamed when they go to school, and I think that that does not have a price tag.
Organizations like Period Y'all are helping Willner gain bipartisan support.
If we care about our students and if we care about the folks in Kentucky, then we really should pass this.
Willner says Kentucky is now in the minority of states who will still profit by taxing medically necessary period products.
I think the fact that there has been bipartisan interest in this issue, the fact that we're increasing the conversation, that we've expanded the bill that we filed from last year, I think we're moving forward on this issue, and I like to think we're moving closer to a solution.
We reached out to the House of Republicans to see if they thought this bill would have a chance this session, but we did not hear back. At the Kentucky State Capitol with photojournalist Jonathan McKimber, I'm Molly Jett, WDRB News.
All right, we'll follow its progress. Thanks, Molly.